With a file open, the browser displays the document settings, named views, origin, joints, and all elements of the design including components, bodies, and design sketches. Clicking the arrow next to a component will expand or collapse its contents. Clicking the visibility icon will show or hide any component, body, or sketch. The view cube has 26 defined areas that can be selected to reorient a design on the canvas, and these areas can be categorized into 3 groups: corners, edges, and faces. It is also possible to click and drag the view cube to reorient the view of a design to a custom viewpoint. Clicking the home icon will return the orientation of the design to the default home view. On the drop-down menu, it is possible to set the view to display designs as orthographic or perspective. It is also possible to set or reset the home, front, and top view for a design.